Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone, iPad, or Mac is updated and signed into the same Apple ID. Once iCloud Keychain is enabled, you can create passkeys that sync across devices. This replaces passwords with cryptographic keys tied to your Apple ID. Next, prepare biometric or device passcode authentication, Face ID, Touch ID, or a strong passcode, because Apple uses that to unlock and authorize passkey creation and use. You now create the passkey. Open a supported website or app and select Sign in with Passkey or Create Passkey. When prompted, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. This action generates a public-private key pair and sends only the public key to the service. Once created, name the passkey for easy retrieval and make sure it's stored to iCloud Keychain so the private key syncs securely across your Apple devices. This avoids password reuse and phishing. You finish by using and managing passkeys. When signing in, pick the passkey option and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Authentication completes the login without typing a password. To review or remove passkeys, open Settings Passwords on iPhone/iPad or Safari Preferences Passwords on Mac. If things go wrong, first confirm iCloud Keychain Sync is active. If passkeys don't appear, sign out and back into your Apple ID or restart devices, because re-establishing the iCloud sync often resolves missing items.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.